Got the rock lock here. Your typical 99-cent store lock. Body's alright. Most likely shimmerable. So, as you see, it works. And there goes the keys. It works. I actually like these locks. I usually use them on the bicycle, but we're going to find out if I'm going to still use it on the bicycle.
Tired muscles, dry, cracked feet? You could go to a luxury spa to rejuvenate your skin and pamper your body, or you could bring the spa to you
Take
with
this.
Spin Spa, the spinning brush that turns showering into a spa experience. For aging skin, use the microdermabrasion head to cleanse away dead skin cells from head to toe and reveal the youthful skin beneath. Or use the mesh sponge for a more gentle exfoliation, giving your skin that clean and healthy glow every day. For tired muscles, use the massage head to soothe away aches and pains. The soft massaging fingers also improve circulation.
These pens, they're probably pretty shallow because they overset pretty easy.
Calluses and rough skin, so you can have pedicure perfect feet all the time. Spin Spa comes with every indulgence you find.
Then we got a full set going.
For everyday cleaning too. Just add your favorite soap or body wash and let Spin Spa do the rest. The extra long handle makes
So worked it a little bit. Oh, too high on that one.
Now you can pamper yourself with spa luxury every day in the convenience of your own home with Spin Spa. You could spend $100 or more at a luxury spa, or you can bring the spa to you with Spin Spa, complete with the microdermabrasion head, the mesh sponge
Still got the full set.
You'll also get the massage head and pumice stone as our special.
Try to get in.
It's an $80 value
A
for
little
only
bit of this one.
$29.99. You'll also receive the Spin Spa facial to give your skin a salon quality cleansing. A $30 value absolutely free when you order today. That's right. You get the Spin Spa complete
How?
rejuvenating attachments.
Probably won't be using this on my bicycle.